Did you know that water is one of the only substances on Earth that expands when it freezes? Most materials contract and get denser as they cool. But water does the complete opposite. Its bizarre property is why ice floats on top of lakes instead of sinking to the bottom, and it's literally changed the course of life on our planet. Here's the science. When water cools to 4 degrees Celsius, it reaches its maximum density. But as it continues cooling below 4 degrees, something strange happens. Water molecules start spacing out and forming a crystalline structure. Ice is actually about 9% less dense than liquid water, which means a frozen lake or ocean has less mass per volume than the liquid it came from. This expansion creates incredible pressure. When water freezes in a closed container, it can exert enough force to shatter glass, crack pipes, and destroy rocks. This process, called frost wedging, is one of the most powerful geological forces on Earth. It's slowly breaking down mountains and reshaping landscapes over thousands of years. But here's why it matters for life. Because ice floats, it forms a protective layer on top of lakes and oceans during winter. This insulating blanket keeps the water below from freezing solid, allowing fish and aquatic life to survive underneath. If ice sank like other frozen substances, our entire aquatic ecosystems would freeze from the bottom up and collapse. And here's the craziest part. This one weird property of water is the reason life exists in cold climates. Without this expansion, Earth's oceans would have frozen solid billions of years ago, and we wouldn't be here. Water's refusal to follow the rules literally saved life on this planet. Want to learn more mind-blowing facts about the world around you? Visit Sikho.ai for fascinating science content that'll change how you see everything.